Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Jesse Xie, and in this video series we're going to go over a few simple, easy recipes that could potentially lower your risk of colon cancer. Now as you can see, I'm in my own kitchen, so there will be no fancy equipment needed so that you can do this at home too. This first recipe is one of my favorites because it takes so little time to make and it tastes so fresh. Now studies have shown that eating 90 grams of whole grain every day can potentially lower your risk of colon cancer by as much as 17%. So this first recipe we're going to make is a quinoa bowl with a fresh kick to it. What we're going to do is rinse our quinoa so that we can get rid of the bitter taste and the residual that's on the outside of the grain. And then we'll cook it at a ratio of 2 cups of water to 1 cup of quinoa. Now while that's going, we can chop up some fresh ingredients for toppings. I like to do tomatoes and cilantro. You can even add in onions if you like. Other ingredients I really like to add in are beans and corn. You can find dry beans in any grocery store and you can soak them overnight. But if you're short on time, you can find canned beans. Now make sure you read the label because unsalted and unseasoned beans, they have about 10 milligrams of sodium as opposed to seasoned and salted beans have about 200 milligrams. So you want to make sure to read the label and get the unsalted ones. And if you're looking for an extra source of protein, what you could do is just reach in the fridge and grab a pack of tofu. Cut your tofu into half-inch thick pieces and season with salt and pepper. Then you want to sear the tofu on both sides for a nice golden brown color. So here I have my tofu, I have my corn, black beans, diced onions, diced tomatoes, and some cilantro. Usually when you are done prepping your toppings, your quinoa is done also. So the last thing that's left is just putting it all together. Now for those who like a little citrus kick, you can give it a little squeeze of lime at the end. The other thing you could do is chop some jalapenos in there to give it a little spicy kick. Here's the finished product. Hope you enjoy.